Ever notice how the simplest things in life can sometimes be the most powerful? Let me share my favorite 2-ingredient morning ritual, something I reach for when I want to nourish my body and boost my mood. It starts with a ripe banana and a humble bowl of creamy yogurt. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds almost too easy, right? But stick with me. Bananas are packed with potassium, which keeps my heart happy and my muscles ready for the day. And that yogurt, it's loaded with probiotics, those friendly little bacteria that help my gut stay balanced and my digestion running smoothly. I just slice the banana, scoop in the yogurt and give it a gentle mix. Sometimes I make it extra special, sprinkling a little cinnamon on top for blood sugar support or tossing in some oats for extra fiber. Trust me, it's a mini bowl of energy that keeps me going for hours. Here's the cool part. Bananas are full of prebiotics, which actually feed the probiotics in yogurt. So, when I eat them together, it's like giving my gut a big high five. Yogurt and banana, simple, nourishing, and honestly so delicious. I've made it a daily habit, and my body's all the better for it. If you're looking for an easy, feel-good snack that helps with energy, digestion, and mood, give this duo a try. And hey, if you want more tasty tips to naturally fuel your day, hit subscribe. I'll see you next time on Eat and Health. And